Selling memberships can be a great way to boost revenue and create a more engaged community around your events. With memberships, you can give attendees access to exclusive perks. Your ticket buyers can purchase a membership directly from your store or when they're buying tickets for an event. After they've bought their membership, they'll be asked to add a few final details to complete the setup. This might include uploading a photo, depending on your settings. We've used an illustration here for this demo, but in practice it'll be an actual photo, perfect for helping with identification at check-in. To get started, you'll need to set up your membership first. Head to Memberships, then click on Add New Membership Type. Enter the name and conditions for your membership in the form. Select when you'd like the validity of the membership to expire. Choose the number of redemptions. You can add as many conditions or membership benefits as you need to. You can choose to require a photo upload from each member using the tick box. You can also choose whether to automatically email members to remind them to add their membership details or renew their membership. Click Save Membership Type. Next, it's time to set the price for your membership. Click Memberships from the navigation bar, and then click on the membership type you would like to sell. Click the button called Add New Linked Product. Create a product. Under the drop-down called Fulfillment, select Issue a Membership. This fulfillment will automatically issue a membership when someone buys this product from your store or your events. You can choose to sell this product in your store without event tickets, or upsell this product with your events. Once you're done, click Save. To finish setting up your membership, you may wish to customize your membership emails. You can do this by heading to your box office settings, then selecting Email Templates from the side menu. Choose the Memberships tab. From here, you can edit the default email templates related to memberships. As an example, let's look at the Issued Membership Confirmation email. In the editor, use the formatting buttons to bold or italicize certain parts of text. You can also insert images and turn text into links. Use the people icon to add placeholders. These can be used to automatically place some buyer details or order details into the order confirmation email. When you're done, click the Save button. If you're selling your memberships in a store and you want this to show on your box office page, open Box Office Settings and then Box Office Design. Under the Box Office tab, scroll down to Header Links at the bottom. Tick Show Store Link. A link to your store will now live in the top left of your box office. Select Publish Changes. Alternatively, you can share a direct link to your store or embed a store widget on your website. If you're running an on-site box office, you may wish to manually issue your memberships. You can do this by heading to the Memberships tab, then clicking on the name of the membership type you want to issue. Scroll down to the Issued Memberships section and click the button Issue a Membership. Enter the name and email of your member. You can change the validity of individual memberships by unchecking the checkbox "Use default limits and validity" for your chosen membership type. Upload a photo depending on your settings. Click Save Membership. You can manage your pending memberships, edit existing ones, and edit your membership types all from the same place. A pending membership means that the membership QR code hasn't been issued to your customer just yet. This is because their membership details haven't been completed. To manage your pending memberships, open the Memberships tab. From the Pending Memberships section, find the membership you want to issue on behalf of the customer. Click on the three dots next to their membership and click Issue Pending Membership. Enter the name and email of your customer and add a photo if required. Click Save Membership. You can edit an issued membership after a membership has been issued or redeemed. Head to the Memberships tab and open the relevant membership type. Scroll down to Issued Memberships to see your members list. Click on the three dots next to the name of the member you want to update. You'll see options to override the standard membership details for that user. Edit as you need, and then click Save Membership when you're done. To edit a membership type, click on the Memberships tab. Click on the three dots next to the name of the membership type you want to update. You will see the option to edit your membership type. If you edit a membership type, you'll see a warning to remind you which changes will be reflected for your existing memberships. Make your edits and click Save Membership Type. If you want to reward your members, you can offer members-only tickets and exclusive discounts in just a few clicks. To offer member-only access to tickets, head to your event and select Edit Event and Tickets from the side menu. Scroll down to Tickets and Items. Click Add Ticket Type. Create a members-only ticket type and click the Advanced Settings drop-down. Under the Status drop-down, select Members Only. If you can't see this option, you need to create your membership first. Using the tick boxes, select which membership types you want to offer this ticket type to. When you're done, click Add Ticket Type. You can create members-only bundles this way too. Now, your members will need to add their membership code at checkout to reveal these tickets. To create a members-only discount code, head to the Promote tab. Create a discount code. Under the heading, How to activate this discount, select By being a member. Select the membership types eligible for this discount. Continue to create your discount and assign it to your ticket types and items. This is a great way to offer free tickets to your members.